If your stomach hurts almost every day, you feel bloated after meals, you have gas, constipation, or diarrhea, stop blaming your gut. The real problem might be what you're feeding the trillions of bacteria living inside it. Inside your digestive system live over 100 trillion bacteria. Together they're called your gut microbiome. When they're balanced, your digestion works well, your immune system becomes stronger, even your mood improves, but when that balance is destroyed, everything starts going wrong. The biggest reasons your gut becomes unhealthy include eating ultra-processed foods, too much sugar, chronic stress, poor sleep, taking antibiotics, drinking too much alcohol. These factors damage the good bacteria that protect your intestines. Your body often gives warning signs: constant bloating, gas, stomach pain, constipation, diarrhea, food intolerances, brain fog, fatigue, even some skin problems. Probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that may help restore the balance of your gut microbiome. Research suggests certain probiotic strains can reduce symptoms in some people with antibiotic-associated diarrhea and some forms of irritable bowel syndrome. Natural probiotic foods include kefir yogurt with live cultures, kimchi sauerkraut. But remember, not every probiotic works for every person. Different strains have different effects. Many people say keto healed their gut. The truth is more complicated. A ketogenic diet may help some people with certain medical conditions, but it isn't a proven treatment for most gut disorders. For some people, cutting out many fiber-rich foods can actually reduce the diversity of healthy gut bacteria. A healthy diet should include plenty of vegetables, and for many people, fiber-rich foods that nourish beneficial bacteria. Science supports these habits for improving gut health. Eat more vegetables and fruit if you tolerate them. Include fiber from beans, oats, nuts, and whole grains when appropriate. Eat fermented foods like kefir and yogurt. Stay hydrated. Exercise regularly. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Reduce chronic stress. These habits help beneficial bacteria thrive. If your stomach pain is severe, keeps coming back, comes with blood in your stool, unexplained weight loss, persistent vomiting, or fever, don't ignore it. These symptoms need medical evaluation because they can signal conditions that require treatment. Your gut isn't healed by one supplement or one trendy diet. It improves through consistent healthy habits that support your microbiome over time. Take care of your gut, and your gut will take care of you.